My name is Wes, and I'd love to share my story about San Juan College and how they've been there for me. I want to start back when I first started school. This was 15 years ago when I decided that straight out of high school that I was going to come to the college. So I found myself actually falling out of school due to some things that happened in life. I had broke my foot and lost my job when I was going to the college to try to better myself while I was still young. So I ended up in the oil and gas field, and I decided that's where I could make some money, so I just decided to abandon college for a while. During COVID, a lot of stuff happened. I found myself losing the job that I had worked so hard for in oil and gas, and I decided I was going to search San Juan College's website and find out if I might be able to find an opportunity in my area where I didn't have to travel, because with oil and gas I traveled all the time. This put stress on my family. So I decided I was going to apply at financial aid and see what happened. They found ways to try to help me and to coach me and to get me in contact with people that could do that kind of stuff for me. That led me to the GIS program is where I started. I noticed that they did do some real world training and then kind of would get you through the degree, and then there was a lot of jobs hiring people right out of San Juan College. So I found the Small Unmanned Aerial Systems program. You get to do the GIS degree and almost the DMAD degree in a way. They mesh together so slightly, so you use a lot of film in that and GIS work in that, and you learn how to use all that together and apply it to multiple platforms. Shout outs to the media service department especially, because they brought me in as a nobody that knew nothing about media service and have molded me into what I am today. The teachers in the drone program, Brian Seavey, Rich, they have been wonderful. They've taken their times to help me and go above and beyond if I don't understand something or to learn. They got me in contact with these programs that I can use for help. For me personally is when I joined the Hawk Tank Challenge. I had a team that did this with me. We were coached and pushed by many individuals here at the college, from the Small Business Development Center all the way up to certain deans of different departments. Everybody seemed to come together and just keep guiding us and pushing us in this direction of success. And we won Hawk Tank. I worked through so many struggles through this, not only COVID, but I had some personal stuff in my life that taken place that really knocked me down. I wanted to quit, I wanted to give up. On top of my bad grades and my attendance records that were holding me back, I had all my regular life stuff that was hitting me. And the people at San Juan College wouldn't let me quit. They didn't want me to, which I'm so glad that they didn't. They wrapped their arms around me and told me that there is a way, and I want to thank you, San Juan College. I'm Wes, and I'm SJC.